My name is Rodney Carden. I've been fishing with Daveys Locker a good 10 to 15 years. I like to fish once a week, sometimes more. When I can get away from the house and come down here to the beach, enjoy the water. Very peaceful, very calm. It's relaxing. It's like therapy. All of a sudden, you get that adrenaline rush, and you're like, I got one. And everybody's waiting to see what you have. When you got that fish on the line, you don't know what it is, and that's the thrill. What is it? Fishing is a sport that's fun for everybody. You're cheering for the guy next to you. The guy next to you, he's cheering for you. The reason I keep coming back to Daveys Locker here in Newport Beach is because I've developed a lot of friendships with a lot of strangers originally, but now it's almost like we're family. The crew, the captain, everybody that's associated with Daveys Locker made me feel very comfortable and welcome. For me, that's very important wherever I go. Not so much where I spend my money, but how I spend my time. I want to spend time and be around people that are friendly, that are helpful. That's what fishing is all about. It's something I look forward to doing. It's something I plan on doing for a very long time.